If you have a smart TV or gaming console, your Spotify experience just got better. It's everything you love about Spotify on mobile, now on the big screen. So you have people visiting and you want to amp up the atmosphere. Or your favorite podcast just dropped a new video episode that you want to watch with friends. Switch on your TV, open the Spotify app, and enjoy your favorite music and podcasts with your friends and family with louder speakers and a screen that everyone can see. The updated home layout makes it easier to find your next listen, with personalized recommendations updated daily. And you can easily switch between user accounts in your household, so everyone can pick up where they left off. Just like mobile, we've introduced the playback queue to TV, meaning you can see the whole queue and what will play next. Exclusive to Spotify on TV, you can also now listen in dark mode, where the visuals will be tuned down so you can just focus on listening. Enjoy all your favorite music and podcasts on the big screen with Spotify's upgraded TV experience. To learn about other Spotify features and how to use them, follow our Tips and Tricks podcast or subscribe to our Spotify Cares channels.